Check it, guys. What do you got there, Sherman? Kibbles or bits?
Actually, I've got baby carrots, organic apple juice, and a tuna sandwich. It's super hype and omega-3s.
So you eat human food, huh?
Yeah, why wouldn't I?
Because you're a dog.
No, I'm not.
Sure you are. Your dad's a dog, so you're a dog too.
I think you're confused. It's an adoptive relationship.
Zip it, Carl.
Okay.
Here, I'll show ya. Fetch! Go on, doggy, go get your lunch. Go on, go get it.
Ugh, the humiliation.
Sherman, go get your food. Make like a good little doggy. What's this?
It's mine. Give it back.
What is it? A whistle? Ugh, stupid thing doesn't even work.
It's a dog whistle, Penny. It operates at a frequency that only dogs can hear.
Back up, Carl.
Okay.
Penny, that whistle's my private property. Give it back.
Jump, doggy, jump.
I'm not a dog.
Come on, Sherman. Just admit it. You're a dog. Say it.
Let me go.
Not until you beg like a dog. Come on, Sherman. Beg.